What's going on, y'all? It's time for another little video. So I got the new tire on today. Gosh, I'm so excited. Look, so about 4 days ago I rode my bike to work. The rear tire, it went flat. Pretty much, it was almost out of air. Drove it to the house. Actually, I filled it up at a gas station, drove it to the house, and let it sit a couple hours, and it was flat. So I was like, well, I didn't see any nails in there, so I figured the tube had a hole in it somewhere. Now the stock tire had about right at 3,000 miles on it, so it already had a nail through the tire and the stock tube, and I replaced it. I probably had about 1,500 miles on the original tire once the first flat happened. So, you know, it's got its wear and tear. That tire probably had another 300-400 miles max before it was racing slick in the middle. So, you know, it would have been okay on the road, but you know, when you're going down some dirt trails and stuff, you know, it just didn't have the grip that I needed. But the tire that I went with was a Michelin Anakee Wild. Okay, the Michelins, I've done a lot of research on these Anakee Wild. They said they're great on-road and off-road. It doesn't ride rough, it's not too loud, and the mileage is good. So I decided to go with it. Now, I've got probably 3 or 4 miles on it, which is not much at all, obviously, but I can definitely tell a difference in the way that it handles on the back, just on the dirt, on the pavement here. It's pretty awesome. Now, the stock tire dimensions was a 150/70 R17. The rear tire, I went up a size. I went a 150/80 R17. So it is a tad taller, and I'm totally okay with that. But I definitely like it. Even the stance to me is a little bit better than what it was stock. So I'm definitely excited with it. We'll do another review of this thing once I get some more miles on this tire, some dirt miles, some sand miles, all that good stuff, to see how this tire performs. But from the research that I've done, it does really good. But check out this thing. This thing is, you look how it's got some serious knobs. I'm pretty excited. Not too shabby. But there she be, y'all. I'm pretty excited about this. Here soon, I hope to have another motorcycle going to be added to this channel. I got some new stuff coming. Pretty excited about it. So anyway, until the next video, y'all, peace.